Did I foresee Apex being where we are today? Honestly, no. I don't think anyone could have.
It's 2003, a suburb near Chicago. With nothing more than a briefcase and a gut instinct that he had something unique, a company was born.
I remember starting it out of my basement, went to a bunch of different banks, gave them my business plan, and got gracefully rejected at 18 different banks. On a Saturday or a Sunday, I was going into business parks, knocking on the doors. I would literally go there and beg them to give me an opportunity.
I'm glad we made it. You know, a lot of companies that get started do not make it, and we've not only made it, but we've grown exponentially.
Even only 8 years ago, Apex was basically two companies. It was Apex Storage and Apex Material Handling, and we had somewhere in the area of maybe 45 total employees. And look at us today. My, how things have changed.
From a national account side, we have not lost a major account ever. Over 70% of our volumes from repeat customers.
We've grown into Denver, we've grown into the Carolinas, so that's given us a little bit bigger footprint, different customers. One of the other kind of future growth areas that Apex has in front of us is the automation side.
At the end of the day, what makes a great organization is the great people that you've brought in.
When we ask customers how Apex helps their business grow, it comes down to three things.
The Apex people, the Apex people, the Apex people.
The people.
Great people.
People, for sure.
They put the right people in the right places to help grow their business.
It's our partners.
If I look at it as a partnership between Apex, the customer, our employees, and our vendors. And if everyone's on the same page and synced up, then that gives that experience to the customer that drives to our success.
We have top relationships with most of the racking and automation and installation OEMs and companies out there, which allows us to truly get creative to solve problems.
And it's our promise.
I think the difference between success and failure is the execution part, right?
So nothing's too big for us, nothing's too complicated for us.
Providing the customer with the right answer is really what everybody's about here.
And are willing to work hard and do whatever it takes.
The people and the execution of the promise.
Okay, Apex, so why does everyone say, we got this?
Because we want the customer to know that if they bless us with some business, we got it.
We got this. We live it every day.
I think that the biggest part of that is being a problem solver.
We know that we've got this because we're willing to work as a team, we're willing to give it our all, and we're willing to conquer all problems.
We got this. Helping your business grow. Join us for the next 20 and see what we can do. We got this.